Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of Apple's most beloved yet often overlooked devices, the iPad mini. Despite its compact size, the iPad mini has captured the hearts of many. But with the last model released in 2021, fans are eagerly awaiting the iPad mini 7. In this video, I'll explore why the iPad mini 7 could be Apple's most exciting release in 2024 and why Apple can't afford to leave it behind. Whether you're a diehard Apple fan or just curious about the buzz, stick around because this discussion will cover everything from its potential specs to its unique place in Apple's lineup. Let's start by addressing the elephant in the room. Why is the iPad mini so special? Despite being in the shadow of larger iPads and the iPhone, the mini has cultivated a dedicated fan base. It's portable, powerful, and versatile. Yet Apple seems to have put it on the back burner, with no updates in sight for years. The last iPad mini, the sixth generation, was released back in 2021, leaving fans wondering if the mini line would be discontinued. But let me tell you why Apple needs to bring the iPad mini 7 to life. For students, it's the perfect note-taking device. For professionals, it's an excellent tool for presentations, quick edits, and on-the-go productivity. And for everyday users, it's ideal for reading, gaming, and media consumption. Unlike larger iPads that can be cumbersome, the iPad mini fits effortlessly into bags, even large pockets, making it incredibly convenient for a variety of users. I believe the iPad mini 7 could serve a similar purpose without the complexities and drawbacks of foldable technology. The size of the iPad mini makes it a perfect middle ground between an iPhone and a full-sized iPad. iPadOS 18 is set to bring some incredible features, and the iPad mini 7 could be the perfect device to showcase them. With features like Smart Script, which enhances handwriting recognition, the iPad mini could become an even more powerful tool for note-takers and creatives. The iPad mini fills that gap perfectly. However, without an update, Apple risks losing a critical piece of its ecosystem. The iPad mini 7 could play a vital role in bridging the gap between the iPhone and iPad, offering users a more seamless experience across devices. Whether it's for quick tasks, media consumption, or even as a secondary display for your Mac, the iPad mini 7 could be the versatile tool that enhances the Apple ecosystem. Discontinuing the mini would leave a void in Apple's lineup that no other device can fill. The fan base is there, the demand is there, and with the right updates, the iPad mini 7 could be one of Apple's most successful releases in 2024. So, if you're an iPad mini fan, let your voice be heard. Comment below, share this video, and let's make sure Apple knows just how much we want the iPad mini 7. To wrap things up, the iPad mini 7 isn't just a product, it's a statement.